Hey guys, welcome back to another RC Summer vlog. I'll probably vlog the next couple of days, so this is going to be like the official moving vlog because tomorrow I'm officially moving back to my parents' house. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, you need to catch up on the previous vlogs because I explain it all in those. But yesterday I finished work, so although I do have a lot of moving stuff to do, I still have a lot of YouTube stuff to do as well. So today I'm going to be filming a video this morning, but I'm trying to find a place in my house to film because it's all completely packed up. Like, it looks bare and boring and not cute. Like, where am I gonna, and my room is completely empty. I would love to have like this as my background, but there's no good lighting in this spot. Like, the lighting there is just not ideal. You want to be like right in front of a window or something. Maybe I can film in the office because at least that has like George's stuff in it. Like, have that as my background if I kind of fix it up a bit. What is wrong with this lighting? Really not ideal. I don't know. Why is the lighting so bad? That's alright, but not a cute background. See, normally I would film with my bed behind me. Maybe I might still have to film that, but just like, maybe I can bring my fiddle leaf upstairs because this is great lighting. I need to put on the tripod and like make it the right height and stuff, but let's do a little bit of transformation. All right, what do we think of the setup? I feel like this looks quite good. I may have stolen one of George's throw pillows, or two actually, but I think it'll be fine. Let's get filming. Update, I did change my outfit, but not important. I have some boxes. I'm gonna put them together, and then I think the last like big things I need to pack, or like the stuff that has a lot to be packed, is just my wardrobe in the kitchen, and then we're pretty much done. All of downstairs is completely packed. My bedroom, apart from like my bed, is pretty much packed. The office is completely packed. I do have some stuff in my bathroom. We're getting to the end. What have I done? I'm trying to clean out my wardrobe. I think the goal is I'm going to pack a suitcase full of stuff that I think I'm going to wear over the next little while until I can unpack my wardrobe fully in our new place. But I just want to have like a suitcase full of packed stuff, and then I think everything else will kind of just go into other bags, which will hopefully stay packed until I fully move. This is what the wardrobe is currently looking like. Hopefully it's like semi, I would say like halfway, maybe a bit more than halfway packed, but we still got a while to go. Alright guys, here is the update. Not perfect, there are still a few things, but so much better than before. This is what my room currently looks like. A bunch of boxes and bags and stuff. But I think I'm just at the point now where I'm done for the day. Like, I don't have anything left in me, so I'm gonna head to bed. I really wanted to take apart my bed today, but I'm gonna have to do it tomorrow morning. So yeah, I'm gonna have to wake up early and finish off everything that needs to be finished. The main reason why I'm trying to get it all done today is because I've got a bond cleaner coming tomorrow. So everything has to be out of this room and my bathroom and my ensuite for him to do a thorough clean. However, in saying that, I've paid rent till the end of the weekend. So even if I just move everything out of here and into the office or something just for tomorrow, so I can finish tidying either tomorrow afternoon or Saturday or Sunday or something, I can do that. So it's not a huge deal, but I definitely need to move the big stuff tomorrow, like my bed and my furniture, because we have the van coming tomorrow. So I'm gonna go to bed and I will talk to you guys tomorrow for the big moving day. Good morning, guys. Update on the moving situation. I have done a bit more packing this morning. This is what my room looks like. This is the wardrobe and the bathroom is almost empty. I need to take that out and there's like a bin down there, but that's it. Shower's all empty. We're making progress. Another update. Time to head off to my parents' house. I'm gonna meet up with my dad and we're gonna go pick up like a van slash truck thing that we're using to move. So I'm already exhausted. Truck is loaded. We fit all my stuff in one load. Go team! Big update, guys. We have officially moved everything out of the bedroom. We've done a load on the truck. All of my stuff fit in one load, which kind of makes me feel like I have nothing, but also that's really good because it was really quick. We finished moving everything by like 10:30. This is what my room now looks like, completely empty, and my wardrobe and the bathroom. It actually feels like we just moved in. Forgot this. Maybe this can be a gift for Georgia. But I haven't officially finished moving my stuff yet. I'm currently waiting because I have a bond cleaner coming to do my room and my bathroom and my wardrobe, because obviously I'm moving out and my lease is ending, so it's only fair that I do that. But I still have to finish packing all my stuff in the kitchen. I think I might have to come back for like my fridge stuff tomorrow, because today's Friday. I'm technically still living here till Sunday, and honestly, if I leave something behind, I'm sure Georgia won't mind, like if I just forget something, but she'll still be here. It's really hard packing only half your stuff, because usually when we move, we just pack up everything and go, so it's really clear to see if you've left anything behind because you're moving everything. But when you're only moving half the stuff, it's like, wait, I totally forgot about that and I forgot about that. But hopefully there won't be much left. I'm still packing some kitchen stuff, like I mentioned. I could probably actually tape up some of these boxes. I need to go through and like wash all of these jars, which is going to be a decent job, so I got to get started on that. And I also need to get some video stuff done today as well, because I need to get a video up. So doing that stuff will probably be the rest of my day, but then I'm having dinner with my parents. We're getting takeout, which is incredible, and I'll be sleeping there tonight, which is so crazy.
Idiot. I'm so thirsty. To you before Christmas, and I was like, I'm not free. And she was like, how does the 7th sound? And I was like, the 7th is perfect, thank you. She's like, I feel so bad you have to wait so long. And I was like, I'm in no rush. Like,
good morning. Hi, sir. How you going? Oh, what a pretty boy. What a pretty boy. And then Mai's over here. Stage 5 clinger, aren't you? Hey, Mai. He hates me on camera. Good morning, guys. I've got my best buds right here. It is now Saturday morning, and I'm at my parents' house, or I guess it's my house now. Do you want to hang out? I'm just gonna do my makeup. You want to do your makeup too? Oh, who's that in the mirror? Handsome devil. Now you gotta let me do my makeup, Bailey. You gotta let me. Oh, you could just sit on me. That's fine too. He's such a toddler. Excuse me. Can you please sit? Thank you very much. That's very polite of you. I'm just gonna put on some mascara and do my brows, I think. Would you like some mascara, baby? This is makeup. Not food, nah. Literal stage 5 clinger. It's Saturday. I had my first night here last night. I will show you guys my room a bit more, show you what's going on here. Yesterday kind of ended... Am I not giving you enough attention? It's a bit rude of me, isn't it? Yesterday I didn't really end off the vlog very well. I was just so exhausted, but I finished... Excuse me. I was just exhausted, but I did finish packing everything. Obviously the bond cleaner came. I still have one load of stuff to pick up from George's house, and I also need to clear out the fridge. But yeah, we're definitely making our way. And I unpacked everything that I needed here, which was literally just like a suitcase, so it wasn't much here. I'm gonna hang out with George today, which is kind of funny. Obviously can't stay away from her for very long. But yeah, I thought I'd just put on a little bit of makeup. But then we're going to the shop. Excuse you. We're going to the shops because obviously, since I packed a bunch of stuff, she needs to buy some stuff. There's not a lot, to be honest. Like, she has all the main furniture, and I also left a lot behind for her. So I'm gonna do my makeup, but I will talk to you guys in a bit. Okay, I'm all ready. I'll show you guys my outfit, and I should definitely show you guys my room too. But this jumper is from Princess Polly, my jeans are from Everlane, and my shoes are my Puma sneakers. Some of you guys might recognize this room because this is my childhood bedroom. It definitely doesn't look like it did when I lived here. I'll actually try and link my bedroom tour that I filmed here in like 2017, 2018, which isn't that long ago because I did live at home for like 6 months before I moved out to the squad house, even though I'd already moved out previously. It definitely looks a bit messy right now because I only like just moved in. But basically after I moved out and then after my sister moved out, my parents kind of combined both of our things into this room. So this bed is my sister's old bed, but the shelves are mine. That desk used to be mine and then it got given to my sister and now it's just in this room. Those drawers used to be mine. It's just a room made up of the random bits and pieces that we left behind. Yeah, like these bedside tables were my sister's. Yeah, just super random. But honestly, I don't really care what it looks like. It's honestly so nice to come back and already have a bed and drawers and a desk and stuff and not have to bring any of my stuff in that I packed away and moved. And so I can just keep them in storage. Also, a little bit of a misconception I think that people are having is they think that I am paying to store my stuff that I moved out of George's house in like a storage unit, but I'm not. It's actually all stored at my parents' house here. Like I said, this is my childhood home and we have 4 kids in our family and none of us live at home anymore. So there is a lot of space in this house. Like there is so much room and we already have like heaps of storage downstairs. This is a Queenslander, which means like we all live on the top floor and the bottom is just like storage and like a garage and, you know, car and tools and whatever. So downstairs is where all my stuff is stored. I can show you guys, but it's not very aesthetically pleasing, but it doesn't really matter. It's just storage. So it's not costing me anything to store my stuff here. And also a lot of people are like, why didn't you just leave stuff at George's and then come pick it up when you and Liam found an apartment and you could just move it straight there? And the reason for that is I'm not paying rent at that house anymore. So it would be completely unfair for me to expect them to like house all my things when I'm not paying for that space, if that makes any sense. And also Alex is moving in, so all the space that I was taking up is now going to be taken up by him. So it just wouldn't make sense at all to keep all my stuff there. That's so unfair. So yeah, I have it in storage here, which is not a problem at all. Hopefully that answers some of your questions. I know a lot of people are just like, that just doesn't make sense, like that whole situation. Moving home and not just moving in with Liam straight away and all of that sort of stuff. Those are just decisions that we have made based on our own desires and our faith and our beliefs, and if you don't agree, that's totally fine. You don't have to, but please don't tell me I'm doing the wrong thing because it is definitely the right decision for me. Please stop telling me what I should have done instead because I've made a decision and that's fine. Look who I found. Hello. We're reunited. For all those who are so disappointed. We just got a bunch of kitchen stuff for George and now we're in the dog section because I need to find Bailey a Christmas present. See, here's the thing. Bailey rips everything to shreds, so you can't get the cute things because he'll rip them up in 5 seconds. So you got to get like the boring, really sturdy things. That could be an option. I don't know, but he won't rip it up. Otherwise, I think this one could be good. That one. I think for his birthday, I got him this one, and he loves that one. And he hasn't ripped that one to shreds, so I think rope and rubber are the way to go. Little update, Georgia and I went and got our nails done. I just did a really light pink because why the heck not? Kind of like I'm on holidays, little girls morning, really fun. But we also went to Kmart like I showed you guys, and I thought I'd show you what I picked up. I didn't get a crazy amount of stuff, but I'll still show you. So obviously, since Georgia and I used to share all the stuff in the kitchen, now that I've moved out, she has to repurchase some things, and so do I, because there are some things that she owned that obviously I didn't. So I picked up a couple random things. We have a spatula, one of these little spoons, and also, what are these called? It says it's a spatula as well. This is apparently a solid turner, and this is a spatula, whatever, but I got those. Then I also got some little gift tags to put on Christmas gifts, and I got some Christmas gifts for the dogs. For Bailey, I just got this little one, and then I also got this one. He needs things that he won't rip to shred in 2.5 seconds, and although those ones aren't the cutest thing, they're going to be way more practical. And for Milo, I just got him some treats because he doesn't like toys, he doesn't really play with them. And then I may have picked up some books. Did I need to? No. But I did it. I did it. These are the two that I picked up. They're both ones that have been on my list for ages. I've got Little Fires Everywhere and Such a Fun Age. I've actually already started reading this one. I'm like 20 pages in, but it's already so good. I love the style of writing. It's so poetic and like, I love it. So I'll let you know how those go, but that's everything that I picked up from Kmart. I think my plan for the rest of the day is to kind of reshuffle my room around a little bit, make it seem a bit less cluttered because it feels a bit cluttered at the moment. I have a bunch of like wedding stuff and like future house stuff stored up here, which doesn't need to be stored up here. So I might move that to like a different room of the house where all the other wedding stuff is stored. I also need to wrap these presents and just do a couple random things. So I'll show you what my room looks like now and then hopefully show you what it looks like afterwards. So this is a little desk area. It just feels so cluttered. Then we have this little area. All of this stuff is like future house stuff, which I think I'm gonna film a haul with actually, because that could be kind of fun. And then I've got the drawers. Those are all my shoes in that box there. And then the bed obviously is a bit of a mess. I'm definitely changing the bedding as well, but I just need to bring it from Georgia still. And then I just have these shelves. So it's not awful, but I just want to make it feel a bit more homey and a bit more me. Alright guys, I'm going to end this vlog here, but I hope you enjoyed this moving home vlog. And some people are asking if I'm still going to be vlogging now that I'm living with my parents, but of course I will be. I started YouTube while I was living at home, so they're used to it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of RC Summer, and I will see you guys in the next one very soon. Goodbye.